Option 1, you lift your left heel off the floor and drop your left heel on the top of the right foot. See how that feels for you. If it feels okay, taking the foot to the ankle and drawing the knee out to the side. If that feels okay, lifting the foot up just above the knee, so the bottom of the right foot is just above the knee, the toes are just above the ankle. The knees opening out to the side if that feels okay, on the hips, on the knee. If it doesn't, come into an alternative of the legs straight and extending out in front. So either holding on to something or joining me for this little flow, bringing your hands to your heart center, turning your fingertips to face me. Reach your arms forward, turn your palms facing up, taking the arms out to the side, reaching the arms overhead, hands back to the heart, fingertips to face me, reaching the arms forward, turn your palms facing up, arms out to the side, shoulders down away from the ears, up to the sky, and back to your heart center. And once more, fingertips facing me, reaching the arms forward. Turn your palms facing up, out to the side, up to the sky, and back to the heart. And releasing, giving the legs a little jig. You're probably feeling that standing leg working out there, so do take a rest if you need to. Okay, weight into the left leg, so either the heel's just dropping down on top of the foot, so you've got that extra support there, or the heel could be resting into the ankle, or lifting the leg up. So we're trying to open our knee out to the side, but if that feels uncomfortable at all, just draw the knee slightly forward and see what works for your alternative leg out in front. Hands either to the hips, or holding on to something, or joining me for the flow of the hands. Bringing your hands to your heart center. Turn the fingertips to face me, reaching your arms forward. Then turn your palms to face up, taking the arms out to the side, all the way over the head, and back to the heart. Fingertips facing forward, reaching the arms forward. Turn your palms facing up, arms out to the side, up to the sky, and back to the heart. Once more, fingertips facing forward, reaching the arms forward, palms facing up, out to the side, up to the sky, and back to the heart. And releasing, and giving the legs a little shake.